Hello, kitty. Knock on the window, Paige. Hello.
I saw Vesta. She's eating.
You should do it too. 1, 2, 3. Like, no. Blow it! Goes. I'll blow my eardrums out.
There you will.
Hi, kitties.
Back to eating! It's a stray.
What?
It's a stray.
Yeah.
Okay, can I please try to blow this horn?
Well, all you do is press the button and it goes.
Oh, you just scared her!
Yeah!
You scared her!
I hope Sam tries to pet that thing and it bites her.
No, she runs.
No.
Don't.
Bad. No. No.
I will.
You're so cute. Aw.
Pizza box. Where'd it go?
Right there.
Oh, found it.
Those are watching, that's why.
I'll blow the horn. You're just like... It's coming back. Really?
Ooh, it's bacon.
Oh my god, I waved to it and it ran away. Look at it, ran away. It's running away. No, Paige. I was like that and you're like...